कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे। अफसोस तुझे है क्या, मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे। अफसोस तुझे है क्या, तेरी मेरी कहानी नहीं बन गई, तू मेरा हो गया मैं तेरी हो गई, जहाँ जाए तू संग मुझे ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, महकी रात में चुरा के सारे रंग ले जा, राते राते भीगू साथ में, तू ऐसी मुलाकात दे जा।
Back it up now. Get 'em up. Got it.
ਵੈਲ ਸੁਖਰਾਜ ਕੌਰ ਨੇਮ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਫੀਲ ਦੈਟ ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਮੋਸਟ ਲਾਈਵਲੀ ਪਰਸਨ that I have ever met and very beautiful soul and she is just amazing. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਫਰੋਮ ਆਵਰ ਚਾਈਲਡਹੁੱਡ ਐਂਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਬਣੇ ਇਨ 9th grade and we were she is the person like ਇਹ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਬੋਲ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕਦੀ ਦਿਲ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਦੀ ਐਂਡ she is a pure heart and beautiful soul. That's the thing that I like about her and she used to be very naughty. She used to just do whatever she feels like. One day I remember she wanted to see this football match that was on the grounds of our school and she just fought with the teacher and she moved out of the class and all the class she was like wow, she has so many of guts and that's the thing about her. And one thing I remember, she used to eat my lunch in the morning actually in the +1 and +2 class. She used to come in the class in the morning and I used to go for the prayer outside and she used to just eat find my bag and eat my lunch and I used to get angry, but now I feel like when I look back I have these memories in my heart and it's just amazing. And today she's getting married and I can't even believe that she's a bride and I think she's the most beautiful bride that I have ever seen in this whole world. She's my best friend and I love it. I'm loving this day. It's just amazing.
So about Sukhraj, so we have been together since childhood. Since LKG and UKG we have been studying together, but we became friends in I suppose 8th grade. We used to sit together. Fortunately our class teacher made us sat together and that's when we became friends. So about her, I used to love talking to her. She was the liveliest person in the whole entire class. Like she is like the life of the party actually, and like we used to celebrate everything together. We used to participate in the events together and I remember we used to sing the patriotic songs, we used to dance together. She is the best dancer, I must tell you. She used to make us dance and she used to make the entire class dance together, even the boys, and she was the most naughtiest person I have ever seen. Everybody was fond of her in the class and that is what comes to my mind when I talk about her, when I think about her, and she's just amazing and she always wanted to be a very beautiful bride as Sandeep said, and this is the day, finally the day has arrived and we are very happy about it.
सुखराज को मैं जानती हूँ 2015 से, जब से हमारी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन स्टार्ट हुई। मतलब डे 1 से ये क्लास में इतनी ज़्यादा, इसके लिए कोई वर्ड नहीं आ रहा इस टाइम मेरे पास। मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं इसके लिए। मतलब हर एक पार्टी में जिसमें भी जाना है वहाँ पे इसमें बिना किसी प्रिपरेशन के वहाँ पे स्टेज पे चढ़ जाना, वहाँ पे डांस करना है। और इवन किसी भी जगह पे ये जाएगी तो वहाँ पे मतलब सुखराज का एक अलग ग्रुप होगा कि साथ में जाएंगे, तो सुखराज का एक डिफरेंट ग्रुप है, तुम उसमें जाओगे। फाइन। देन उसके बाद क्लास में अगर इसको कोई क्लास से बाहर निकाले तो सबसे पहले मैम मैं जाऊँ जस्ट लाइक दैट। और एक बार तो क्या हुआ, क्लास में लंच करते हुए मैम ने पकड़ लिया। देन उसके बाद हम दोनों को मैम ने क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया। मैंने कहा सुखराज यार अटेंडेंस लगी, बोलती 5 मिनट रह गए, कोई नहीं चलते हैं क्लास से बाहर तो उसके बाद और क्या क्या बातें इसमें, मतलब मेरे पास इतनी सी वीडियो क्लिपिंग में बताने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत सारी बातें। इवन रात को भी हम लोग 3 बजे तक जाग के बातें करते रहे, तब भी कोई बात खत्म नहीं हुई। एंड मैं हमेशा सुखराज कब तेरी शादी होगी, कब तेरी शादी देखूंगी, पहली बार मतलब मैं गुरुद्वारे वाली शादी देखूंगी और कितनी सारी बातें मतलब हमारी बताने के लिए, मतलब मेरे पास इस टाइम कोई वो नहीं है कि मैं इतनी सी क्लिपिंग में इतने सारे वर्ड्स बोल दूँ और आज है इसका दिन, द प्रीटीएस्ट ब्राइड है।
हेलो जी, मेरे वालों सारे प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल। सो आज फाइनली मेरा ब्याह होने वाला है। सो बेसिकली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी हूँ। इट्स जस्ट लाइक a dream come true. I met Mani like 3 years ago, and though there was many ups and downs in my life, more ups, less downs. And finally, everything got together, and I'm so glad and blessed to be the daughter of my wonderful parents. Okay. So I'm talking about my mother. She's very polite, and I'm lying. She's been very strict with me throughout the ages, like since the childhood that I have become, I'm realized till this date. Even she scolded me last night. Though the time flies so fast, but she has maintained that character, which actually enhanced my character. Though people say I'm very lively, I'm the soul of the party, but the thing is that I just want. But the thing is that all the credit that I am today, I just want to give it to my mother. She has played a wonderful role in my life. She has shaped me in such a very good way that I could connect the people outside, and they loved me because my mother made me like this. And talking about everybody else in my family, they have been so wonderful with me. They just love me and I love them too. About my friends, they are just like they are my priority in my life, and I just love them more than anything else. Each and every talks I just share with them. Aditi, Anjali and Sunit, they are just my love. And even what else I can say about today. So talking about my life partner Manish, actually basically we met in 2012. I just went to a party in a college, and that too he saw me over there, and he just asked out my sister that he wanted to talk with me. But in that age, I was not pretty much sure about him. I talked for very few months, and we just separated for no reason. Even the destiny, I felt like the destiny didn't want us to be together. So for like in 2015 or 16, and I just remembered that there was a guy named Manish Tandon. I need to talk to him. He was such a nice guy. So eventually when I messaged him, firstly I unblocked him, and then I messaged him that I just gave him a simple hi message, and he was literally shocked, and he replied me instantly. And even I, at the first instant, I was not even sure that
will I be able to make it or not. But he was pretty much sure about that he want me as his life partner. But I literally ignored and rejected him there and then, and said that my family will not agree to this relation. But as the time passed, he firstly convinced me, then after that he convinced my family. And about him, I have really don't have any words to express how lovable, how caring is he. And on the other side, if I talk about myself, I am a little, sometimes a little harsh to him, but he's very soft-spoken. He's very clean-hearted person, and that's why I choose him as my life partner. And he turned out to be a wonderful life partner, and I appreciate that. I want him to be like this for throughout the life till we are together. So last but not the least, I want to say that I do get angry frequently, but in my heart I don't have any personal grudges with him, and I will love him throughout my life.